You never know if the person you're driving by on the corner is a homeless veteran. It could be. Veterans are more likely to be homeless than non-veterans, especially women veterans. So, knowing the resources that are available to direct people to, I think is helpful as well.
If I was in the park and ran into a homeless veteran, I would tell him to call HVAF immediately, or her. So that'd be my first step. Call him and go from there.
We all have the same goal. We all love our veterans. We all help one another to be successful, to work for a place where we're serving people who stood up for our country.
My name is Emmy Hildebrand, and I'm the CEO of HVAF of Indiana. HVAF of Indiana, or Helping Veterans and Families, is the largest nonprofit in Indiana dedicated to serving veterans facing homelessness. We've been around for more than 30 years here in central Indiana, and we offer housing, employment assistance, and basic needs services through our food, clothing, and hygiene pantries.
We're helping those individuals who don't have the means, don't have the finances to even have stability. Once we get them some source of stability in the sense of housing or preventing them from losing their housing, then we can assist them with getting connected to some of those federal veteran services. So that's the importance of HVAF. My name is Sherelle Crown, and I work for HVAF as a Rapid Rehousing Program Coordinator. My biological father was a client here at HVAF, and he just loved the agency so much. And he would ask me all the time, Sherelle, why don't you give HVAF a chance? And I'm like, Dad, I don't know anything about veterans, but finally I did get here, and I promise you, HVAF is one of the most awesome agencies. The culture is different. The support and the services that we provide are genuine. It was a great decision, and I thank my father every day for that guidance.
My name is Dallas Buchanan. I was homeless. I couldn't even get out of my car. People had to pump gas for me. And I developed blood clots in my left leg. But I decided I'd be better off sleeping out at the VA hospital in the parking lot. And one night, I parked down in the bottom of the garage. The security came through. He walked up to the car. He said, "What's up?" And I said, "I've been homeless for 18 days. I have gout. I haven't been able to get out of the car. I'm covered with urine and duplicate, and I'm exhausted. I'm totally exhausted." And he put his hand on my shoulder and he said, "You need help." He said, "We're not going to let you leave now. We can't." Well, they referred me to HVAF shortly after that. And Hyacinth, I really thought it'd be another delay, but she called right away and said, "You can get into Warmer Street Avenue this weekend." So getting to HVF, the very first thing you're thankful for is one day you're hopeless, the next day you're not.
Veterans are, sign up for the military on behalf of all of us, and they sacrifice and serve for all of us. So it's only fitting that all of us work together to end their homelessness, to make sure that they're not facing struggling circumstances. So there's plenty of room for all of us to volunteer here at HVAF, working in our food or clothing pantries or doing property beautification.
It's not always about donating monetary gifts. A lot of times we like donations in the form of, if you can see behind me right now, food items and clothing and hygiene items and I mean, we need shoes, and we get a lot of men's clothes, and individuals can donate women's clothing,
More information about HVAF and how you can be involved is available on our website, hvaf.org. You can sign up to volunteer there. You can become a donor there. I would start there for sure for all the information about our organization.
I had a client once who went through the program with me, but this client was successful, and he was adamant that he wanted to own his own home. And he owns his own home right now. He has a beautiful home. Every day we see miracles happen at HVAF.
And they blessed so many, and they surely have blessed me. And I'm profoundly humble, profoundly grateful. Well, anybody that's homeless I've been into anywhere that was a veteran, I'd say, please call HVAF. Do that immediately. Don't even hesitate. Don't even think about it. Make the call, take the step, and let us begin there.
You know, when veterans come in, they can feel welcomed and they can know that, you know, they are valued and hopefully receive good quality service to change their life.
All I needed was a little bridge. There was a bridge. I crossed and there I go.